Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, Poetry Time, we will learn about main verbs and helping verbs. So, open up page number 15 and let's get started. First of all, let us revise what is a verb. A verb is a word used to describe an action. And there are different types of verbs. Let's look at them. The first one which we will learn today are main verbs and helping verbs. Helping verbs is further divided into primary auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. So, first of all, let us see what are main verbs. They describe the main action of the subject. They have their own meanings. They don't need other words to explain what they mean. Let's look at an example. Hadia enjoyed her poetry lesson in school. She decided to write her own poem. Now, here enjoyed and decided are describing the action of the subject, which is Hadia. Hadia enjoyed and she decided. They have their own meanings. If you look up on the dictionary, you will find their meanings. Enjoyed means to have fun, and decided means to take a decision. And they do not need other words to explain what they mean. Like when we saw in the dictionary, they had their own meanings, and we did not need any word before or after them to know their meaning. Now, let's look at helping verbs. They are the verbs that help the main verb in a sentence, and they have no meaning on their own. Helping verbs are of two types.